Did you know that rice water grows hair faster than any other ingredients out there? And when I say ingredients, I mean the natural ingredients. I'm here to show you how. You've been sleeping on rice water to save your hair. I am Maryam Kapama. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome, and thank you very much for tuning in. But if you're my regular return supporter, my day one subscriber, welcome back and thank you very much for tuning in. I so much appreciate you and I love you so much. But if you're new, just be sure to click the red button that says subscribe so you get to join the family. And of course, turn that bell notification so you get notified every time I do post a new video in the future. So in today's video, we are going to talk in details how rice helps the hair. Basically, the rice helps both the hair and the skin, but in this video, we're going to talk specifically about the hair, because even this $1 million industry of beauty relies on this ingredient so much in making these products. It's essential. But guess what? You already have it in the kitchen, so this stuff they will never tell you. But your girl is here to give you you get it. So today we are talking rice. Rice helps the hair to grow very fast. The hair is going to grow very long and very healthy, simply because rice contains all these amazing properties such as amino acid, B, vitamin E, minerals, antioxidant, and of course rice has protein. So the protein in the rice is the major building block for hair strand. For hair to grow long, it needs a balance between protein and moisture, and the main ingredients for protein in the hair is rice. You can get protein in ingredients such as fenugreek and rice, but mostly what we have access to already is the rice. So we're going to talk in details about the rice. And of course, you may ask yourself, who needs protein? Well, we all need protein. Whether you have healthy hair, I don't know what type of hair, relaxed hair, tight cuticle or tight curled hair, fine to medium textured hair, or low to high porosity hair, you all need protein. The difference is the portion of this the portion or the size of the protein you need. So let's talk about how to proportion the intensity of these proteins that is found in the rice. Firstly, you can either use the rice as in form of rice water, or you can add and you can enhance the intensity of the protein by fermenting the water, or you can just use it as it is, just the rice water itself, the white milky water. Yes, that one you can use the way it is. It has low portion of protein because it's not fermented. Or you can use the cooked rice, or you can use just the rice water fermented maybe for a couple hours. But some extremes, people can even put rice water to 7 days to 2 weeks. It gets super potent. So for people who need less protein are the people with low porosity hair, coarse hair, and of course the healthy hair already, that's already very healthy, or people with protein overload or relaxed hair. You see, these people need less protein. And when I talk about less protein, I mean you can just use the starchy water. When I say starchy water, means the rice water, because how you get rice water is when you wash the rice, the whitey milky water that remains, that's the rice water. It is 80 to 90% starch, you see. So you can use the starch water. That is minimum protein, because it is not fermented, it's not done a lot of stuff. Just the way it is less protein, enough for those people who need less protein and those people who are protein sensitive. But for people with damaged hair, high porosity, this type of people with this type of hair, you need high amount of protein. And even the intervals on how you use the rice water, it's different from the one who needs less protein. A person who needs less protein, these people can do protein treatment at least once every month, or twice at least after every maybe 6 weeks, once every 6 weeks, just very minimal. But the people with damaged hair, high porosity hair, these people, their hair craves protein. They need way more portion of protein. So for these people, their protein water, they're not just going to use just the plain protein, the plain rice water. They're going to use the fermented rice water. So the high porosity people, the damaged hair people, or color treated hair, these people need high amount of protein, like, and even the intervals on how they take care of the hair, just add the protein back to the hair, it should be very at least weekly basis, like at least once every week, you see. So they need to add more protein in their routine more than anything, because the hair depend on that to survive. Otherwise the hair is going to break off and it's going to be bad. So bottom line is, protein is very important for all hair types. The difference is you just need to know which category you belong to or what your hair needs. So once you identify that, based on what I just told you, just know how you can implement it on your hair. This being said, I want you to understand that I've made so many videos on rice water in general. I've had rice with other stuff just to balance the moisture and protein itself. So most of the videos, I have a whole playlist. I'll leave it down in the description box that shows how you can use the cooked rice, and also showed the video for my people with high porosity and damaged hair, how you can use the fermented rice water. And of course you can add other ingredients such as cactus, such as okra, just to add the moisture in the balance on how to maintain the balance between moisture and protein for your hair. Also, lovely. What else? There's something I really need to point it out. You need to have a routine on how to do this. So for you to see, also I can also recommend a few products that are also full of protein, like protein treatments that are already there out in the market, if you're not the person who does DIY like me, because for me, baby, I do a lot of stuff myself. So there are brands that I can recommend, like the Olapex. They have a whole range, and I don't know the numbers, but they have products that's specific for color treated hair, that repairs the bones of the hair that were damaged, that's repair damaged hair. And of course I know a brand called Kapama. I'm going to attach pictures, so if you can get your hands on this, then this is a beautiful substitute for your hair's protein needs. Also you can refer to, but if a DIY person like me, just refer the description box. There's a lot of videos in the playlist that I'm going to leave down below. And of course, just be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below what are your thoughts and what are your hair needs, so I can recommend for you the right videos and right products for your current hair situation. Also, I want you to of course subscribe and follow your girl, you know, show some love. I really love you guys. Most of you watch this video but you don't subscribe, and I don't know why, so I'm waiting. Go ahead and subscribe, man. It really means a lot for me, and it really helps me to keep this video going. So I so much appreciate you for subscribing. Thank you very much. And of course, go ahead and follow me on all my social media accounts. They are down in the description box. I'm leaving a whole playlist here, so you can click here and watch more rice tutorials on how you can use rice differently on your hair. So I can only say I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye bye.